switching it up today, boys. We are going fishing. Let's go. So this little hungry boy here completely demolished that frog. I didn't bring any live bait with me and caught that frog and hooked the frog through and caught this guy. Not bad. Good morning, peeps. So we're out here fishing this early morning wet bass. We got the top water lure on. We about to get active. A top water fish. Nah, that's the fish. Man, I got it stuck already. Alright, so we finally got it back. Let's go ahead and get started again. So I'm going to leave a lot of my mistakes and technical difficulties in here just so that you guys can learn from it. And I'm also going to give you some tips or some things I wish I would have noticed while I was fishing in hopes that it'll help you guys out. So the first thing is definitely practice on your accuracy. I didn't practice on my accuracy. That was a brand new lure that I wasn't comfortable with. And also, since I just got it, I didn't want to lose it in a tree. So I definitely should have been casting along the cover parallel to the bank because the bass were active. I wasn't confident in myself and my accuracy, and I was too scared.
So I'm not that comfortable casting next to cover.
Yeah, as you can hear in the video. So that's my biggest mistake it's not really a mistake, but the only way for you to get comfortable is for you to keep practicing and actually attempt doing it. So I kind of regret not just going ahead and going for it. I mean, as you can see, I think I did end up going for it and got a second tree. Hey, but I'm going to get better because I'm practicing. So that's why I'm leaving it in here so that all the newbies like me, you can see that you're not alone. And all you expert fishermen can give me some advice if you see what I'm doing wrong. So another thing I'm noticing that I did wrong was reeling it in slowly. I didn't do my research on the lure, on the topwater lures. It was my first one. And later on in the day, I noticed my uncle and his brother jerking it around, like letting it sit, jerking it. So I think I switched to another lure too quickly. Maybe I should have asked questions or did better research. But definitely, they were getting a lot of bites. I think for the day, It caught 8 apiece, 8 bass apiece. So
Alright, so the rain has died down a bit. I switched on over to the buzz bait. So, see how this one works out. See if I get some bites.
So yet again, another lure I had and didn't research. I just put it on. You can see me. I'm practicing, but I don't know what to look for. So I thought maybe I was supposed to keep it underneath the water. For buzz baits, you want to work them on the top of the water and have all that chattering and splashing at the top. You want to keep it at a speed where all that is going to be attracting the bass by breaking and making waves at the top. I didn't know that. So just a lot of the day was me fiddling around with new lures and still just going back to what I was the most comfortable with and what I had gotten the most bites. I never caught a bass, but since I've been out at this pond, I've gotten a couple of bites. We'll just wait and see. You'll see what I catch my bass with. Just wait.
And this is why you don't cast super dope hard, bro. Unless you want to get a damn bird's nest. I wasn't paying attention. Man, I can't get nothing. It sucks. Alright. So just went ahead and switched on over to the worm. And try this out. Fish on. Fish on. First one, baby. First one, baby. Come on. Yes. My first bass. Yes, sir. This feels good. My first ever bass. All right. Now I can take a sigh of relief. Finally got one, coach. Put me in the game, coach. Oh, that's a big one.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice one.
Thanks, buddy.
So I didn't catch the cast or the hook set because I was actually sitting, taking a break, and I caught this and brought it into this guy's yard.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, so after not catching anything the other day, this feels great. This really feels good. All right, so I had another one in this spot, second one, and I missed the hook set. So now I'm gonna really take my time over here and let the worm drop, see if they'll take off with it. I got something again. What the f? What the f? What the? Yo, what the f is down there? Whatever's down there keeps taking my damn hook. Came back to this spot. I want to fish for the ones that I lost earlier. I'm gonna get one over here. Come on, baby. I know you want to bite. Can't wait till my accuracy is better so I could fish under there, because I see a lot of activity happening over there, but I'm tired of getting lures stuck in the tree. If I can just get 3 bass today, I'll be super excited. Because it'll be like I made up for the one I didn't catch that one day. I think they're each up to 7 apiece, or 7 and 6. I have 2. If I can catch at least just half of what they got, I'll be happy. That's it. That's all I want. Whoa, 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 do you, now do you think you love me, Mary Jane? Don't you play no game. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo, Mary Jane. Mary Jane. Also, let me know if I'm not working the lure correctly. Like if you notice I'm doing something wrong, if I'm reeling too fast, or there's a better way to hop them up, pop them up.
Thanks for watching. Let me know down in the comments what you enjoyed or what you want to see more of. Stay tuned for more fishing videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.